있었던 텍사스의 한 은행.
Quiet.
What in the devil?
아침부터 은행을 털고 있는 두 명의 남자가 있습니다.
Where's the money?
I told you it's in the safe. All you're guilty of right now is being stupid.
Tell me I'm stupid again. We're walking. Where do you think you're going? Sit on the floor!
하지만 금고는 굳게 닫혀 있었고 그때 출근하는 지점장.
Yes, you all right?
그렇게 은행을 턴 두 사람은 형 테너와 동생 토비입니다.
See, little brother, not a worry in the world. Maybe we should get there ahead. Get out to only.
하지만 두 사람의 은행 털이는 이걸로 끝난 게 아니었죠.
I found these coins in the barn.
This one says 1953.
1950.
Good morning, folks. Open the drawer. Open the mother.
On the counter.
Yes.
That's it. Come on. You got a gun on you, old man?
You're damn right I got a gun. Steal my gun, too.
I have my own gun.
Much obliged. Sorry about this, folks.
그리고 두 사람을 공격하는 마을 주민. 이번에도 두 형제는 은행을 터는데 성공합니다.
It's the last time I kept getting shot at.
Shit, I can do this all week.
그렇게 경찰을 피해 마을 밖으로 빠져나온 두 사람은 증거를 없애기 위해 미리 준비해둔 구덩이로 차를 묻어버렸죠.
You hear about these bank robberies?
한편 소식을 들은 텍사스 레인저 마커스와 그의 조수 알베르토.
Where they at? Midlands ain't got any branches outside Texas. They get to have some fun before they send you off to the rocking chair yet.
마커스는 곧 은퇴를 앞둔 베테랑 보안관이었죠.
Place looks like shit.
While you were busy in jail, I was busy looking after.
가정폭력을 일삼던 아버지를 살해하고 감옥에 간 형을 대신해 홀로 편찮으신 어머니를 모시다 보내드린 동생 토비. 거기다 농장은 대출을 갚지 못해 은행에 넘어갈 상황이었죠.
She leave a will?
She left everything to me. By Friday, it all goes to my boys.
토비는 농장을 아이들에게 물려주기 위해 은행 강도를 계획했던 것이었죠.
Ranger?
Senator.
Got off with just under 7,000.
No ink back.
Nope.
Smart. Can we get a look at the surveillance video?
하필이면 CCTV 교체 작업으로 증거가 남아있지 않던 은행.
Here's maybe.
Maybe drugstores and parked cars, not banks. Faces was covered, but could you tell their race?
Why?
Young County says same deal with the branch and only.
Excuse me. They have video.
Same deal all the way around.
They aren't done yet, I'll tell you that. They're trying to raise a certain amount, that's my guess.
수사가 난항을 겪는 가운데 식사를 하러 온 형제들.
Boys know how rich they're gonna be. Like I said, they don't know anything. You got any idea how much I owe Debbie in child support? Maybe we should hit another branch.
And why in the hell did you agree to do it?
Because you asked, little brother. I got shit like an old goat.
Well, if that isn't a hint, I don't know what is.
하지만 테너가 간 곳은 화장실이 아니었고
Sure is quiet in here. Open a drawer. 5s, 10s, 20s.
We could use a cook. Just a thought.
양육비가 밀려있던 동생을 위해 테너 혼자 일을 벌인 것이었죠.
Start the car!
그렇게 혼자서 은행을 털어버린 테너.
But you don't know this much in child support.
You want to get us killed? Then we got to go back to the ranch and bury the car. Just put us a goddamn day behind.
두 사람은 은행 강도에 사용된 차량을 또다시 묻어버립니다.
Can I answer your own phone?
서로 못 잡아먹어 안달인 두 레인저에게 그 소식이 전해지고
They know exactly what they're doing.
You like to fish?
Maybe one of these bank robbers is gonna want a gun.
Won't be much glory in it.
식당 맞은편 사건 현장에 도착한 두 사람.
Only one man robbed the bank?
Yeah, a car that was parked out front of the diner.
다행히 이곳은 CCTV가 정상적으로 작동하고 있었고
What kind of bank would we be if we didn't have video surveillance?
형 테너의 단독 범행 장면이 고스란히 남아 있었죠. 그리고 형제가 다녀간 식당도 조사합니다.
Oh, you say you seen them?
One of them was tall. The other one just looked like brothers, if you ask me.
그는 목격자들과 종업원에게 정보를 묻습니다.
How much they leave? You don't need to see them bills.
$200.
Them bills is evidence.
So you go out there and you get a warrant. You come after the money.
한편 두 형제는 다음 범행을 준비하였고
What's this? My livelihood.
은행 강도로 얻은 돈을 세탁하기 위해 두 사람은 카지노로 향합니다.
Want to play some poker? I don't gamble. Come on now.
그때 토비에게 접근하는 한 여성.
That's, You staying in the hotel? To your room.
하지만
Trying to work my little brother? Stack of chips in here. Easy mark. Roll them, drug them. What were you gonna do?
You're crazy!
How the fuck have you managed to stay out of prison for a year?
I could pay this out in cash or check.
Foreign cash, wrist and check.
그렇게 형제는 자금을 세탁하는 데 성공합니다.
What are you doing?
한편 계속해서 수사를 이어가는 두 사람.
But I'm you by your side. I doubt you'll get close enough to a criminal to ever be in danger.
Just when I was starting to feel sorry for you.
Kids ain't supposed to feel sorry for cowboys.
And this makes you the executor.
There's no way to trace funds from a casino. So, 43,000 and you are free and clear.
How much you making on this deal?
Near as much as I'm risking.
Why you doing it then?
You know, they loaned the least they could, just enough to keep your mama poor on a guaranteed return. Swipe her land for $25,000. That's just so arrogant it makes my teeth hurt. Pay those bastards back with their own money? Well, if that ain't Texan, I don't know what is.
형제는 변호사를 만나 농장을 지킬 방법을 찾게 되었죠.
What's the plan?
You're gonna watch that bank like a deer feeder. Howdy, ma'am. How you doing today?
So what don't you want?
Pardon?
Nothing but T-bone steak and a baked potato. The green beans. So what don't you want?
I don't want green beans either. Can I get my steak cooked just
That want no question. Iced tea for you boys.
Iced tea be great.
Nobody's gonna rob this son of a bitch.
형의 돌발 행동으로 차량 한 대가 더 필요했던 형제는 중고로 차량 한 대를 구입하였고
Take the paper, say thank you. Drive like a school teacher with all this shit in the back.
토비는 밀린 양육비를 갚기 위해 혼자 전처의 집으로 향합니다.
Here's the money I owe you.
Guess you'll be,
Goes to the boys. It's been put in a trust.
something else I gotta take care of.
그리고 1년 만에 다시 만난 아들.
Your grandmother died. I'm giving the ranch to you and your brother.
What am I supposed to do with a ranch?
We found oil on it. You may be hearing a lot of things about me, and you and brother ain't gonna have to worry about money no more. Don't be like us. You hear me? Well, you do it different.
You tell me not to be like you, and then you offer me a beer.
So this is your plan.
But there's one thing I'm pretty damn sure they are gonna do. But you gotta wait for these boys to make a mistake.
One restaurant with a rattlesnake for a waitress.
So just relax. Oh, maybe your people did.
To the grandparents of these folks took it. All this was my ancestors' land, and now it's been taken from them. Sons of bitches right there.
Go easier on the bank tellers tomorrow.
하나씩 일을 처리하며 마지막 한탕을 노리는 두 사람. 마커스와 알베르토 또한 끝까지 포기하지 않습니다.
So we hit the Jayton branch first in Coleman, right?
드디어 새벽이 되고 슬슬 움직이기 시작하는 두 사람. 그들은 제이튼 지점에 도착하였죠.
Let's do this. Shit. What now, little brother? Coleman.
하지만 지점은 문이 닫혀 있었고 형 테너는 계획을 변경합니다.
Gotta head to post.
What are you talking about? There's only one teller in Coleman. Whatever we get won't be enough. Patterns are the same everywhere.
We'll leave your car just out of town.
그렇게 하루를 꼬박 기다린 레인저들도 계획을 변경하였죠.
I think I got this figured. All right, there's 7 branches altogether. There's the one in Jayton.
That one's closed.
That just leaves Post.
Well, then let's go.
그리하여 포스트로 향하는 두 사람.
My word.
It's too big. That's what she said. With the bank. More money.
곧이어 형제의 은행 털이가 시작되었죠.
Everybody get on the ground! On the ground! Open the drawers! Open the drawer, young lady! Now step back! Hey!
그때 총을 가진 경비원이 접근하였고 손님 중에도 총을 가진 남성이 있었죠. 그리고
Hey, let's go!
딸의 문자를 받고 밖에서 대기하고 있던 마을 주민들. 그렇게 추격전이 시작됩니다.
Fucking killed him!
It was them or us. Take your pick.
Texas Midlands and Postal has just been hit.
What'd I tell you?
Yeah. Suspects escaping west.
Give me an Indian whoop. Come on.
Boy's gonna go down.
마을 주민들에게 쫓기는 가운데 총상을 입은 토비.
Oh, shit. Let me see that. You're hit. But you'll live, eh? That's through. Front and back, front and back. Oh, brother, hear me now. Hear me clear. Unless you want to be a black mark on your son's lives, I need you mountain lion me. Hold on.
테너는 토비를 위해 가지고 있던 총을 꺼내듭니다. 깜짝 놀란 주민들은 곧바로 도망치기 시작하였죠. 그렇게 주민들을 모두 따돌려버린 테너.
Let's go. Get to the casino, change some money like we planned.
Where are you headed? Justin. Don't be stupid.
I love you, Toby.
I love you too.
Mean it. Go fuck yourself.
Go fuck yourself.
하지만 테너는 토비와 다른 길로 향하였죠. 그리고 곧바로 경찰들에게 쫓기게 된 테너. 덕분에 토비는 무사히 현장을 벗어나게 됩니다.
This is what they call white man's intuition.
한편 막다른 길에 몰린 테너는 폭탄을 제조해 경찰들을 공격하였고
Unit up here and a helo to pen these boys down.
그는 라이플을 이용해 경찰들의 추격을 제지하였죠.
He's got a rifle. Get out. He's on the ridge.
There's supposed to be two of them.
그리고 그때
To slip up this canyon and tomahawk that son of a bitch.
테너의 총에 맞아 목숨을 잃게 된 알베르토.
Get back! Can you get me up there behind there?
It's gonna be a 500-yard shot if he's where you said.
Just get me there.
한편 현장을 빠져나온 토비는 검문소를 마주하게 되는데
Where you headed?
Ruidoso.
You got your license on you?
Yes, I do.
Wait right there.
Yes, sir.
사실 쉽게 빠져나갈 수 없다는 걸 눈치챈 테너가 토비를 위해 시간을 벌고 있었던 것이었죠.
Sure.
Yeah. Thanks much.
그렇게 토비는 무사히 카지노로 향하게 됩니다. 한편 동료를 잃은 마커스는 테너를 잡기 위해 반대편 봉우리로 향하였고 테너는 결국 마커스의 사정거리 안에 걸려들었죠.
Just left of the tree.
I got him.
I got you. Lord of the Plains.
그리고 그때 결국 마커스의 총알에 최후를 맞이하게 된 테너. 카지노에 도착한 토비는 뉴스에서 형의 소식을 듣게 됩니다. 슬픔도 잠시 은행으로 향하는 토비.
Just in the nick of time, too. And the back taxes that we paid on your mother's behalf,
You can fax a release of lien to that number.
Well, I'll get that faxed over to your attorney by the end of the week.
It is the end of the week. I want to watch you do it.
형의 희생으로 결국 토비는 농장을 지키게 됩니다. 한편 퇴직한 마커스는 사건에 자꾸 미련이 남았고
Think I could take a peek at Mr. Howard's file?
사건 파일을 검토하던 그는 공범으로 동생을 의심하고 있었죠.
You all are off the brother?
Toby's got no record. He's never been arrested. Robbing banks, they graduate to it like his asshole brother. He's not a suspect and you are retired. Hey, I'll see you, Marcus.
하지만 동생에 대한 증거가 전혀 없던 상황. 그는 토비의 농장에 직접 찾아가 보기로 합니다.
I'm the man who killed your brother.
I also know you're retired and you're trespassing.
Now and be with you in your rights.
I figure you got one too.
Mind if I sit?
Go ahead. You want a beer?
Thanks.
그렇게 농장을 둘러본 마커스는 여전히 증거를 잡을 수 없었죠.
How did you do it? I know why your brother Tanner, but not you. Except them pump decks. Help me understand that.
I didn't kill your friend.
Yes, you did. Oh, no. This was smart.
I've been poor my whole life. It's like a disease. Passing from generation to generation becomes a sickness. But not my boys. This is theirs now. But if you want me to start with you, let's get on with it, old man. See if you can grab that pistol before I blast you off this porch.
그때 토비의 가족들이 집으로 돌아오고
What's going on?
I'm an old friend of your husband.
No, it's not mine. It's theirs.
The things we do for our kids, huh? I best be going. Ma'am.
Hey, if you want to stop by and finish this conversation, you're welcome anytime. If you stop by, maybe I'll give you peace.
Maybe I'll give it to you.
서로에게 소중한 사람을 빼앗긴 두 사람의 관계. 아무 일 없이 농장을 나가는 마커스를 뒤로 영화는 끝이 납니다.
당신.